All right, guys, let's take a look at this trade. We're going to be looking at this area here. The trend line was broken. Have a look at it, guys. We've gone over a couple of trades already, right? Okay, from the past. Here's one in the present. We've been speaking a bit about the Aussie pairs and so on. This one's a textbook trade. Have a look at it. I'm going to put the lipstick on and then we'll go through how it could have been traded. Hold 1 second. All right, so here we are, guys. We have the lipstick on. A beautiful trade. I'm sure you'd agree. I mean, absolutely textbook, right? Here we got the break of the trend line. We've got the pullback. This is where we enter. Okay. Even one of you guys, you did a drawing of, hey, per strategist, and that's exactly what you did. Textbook. And boom, gone to target. Interestingly, with this trade, again, like with them all, is patience. It came down on Monday. The pullback was on Tuesday, so technically, well, actually, would have just been wicked in. Pending order would have been wicked in there. But the trade starts on. I mean, I'm in the UK, so I'm sleeping at this time. Okay, but it's a case of you wake up in the morning and then you see that you're in profit. How good is that? In your heart of hearts, I tell you what, you see this trade, you start thinking, oh, it's going to pull back again. And then again. But, you know, you just don't know. As I said before, you don't know how the trade's going to play out. I think the Aussie dollar is working its way all the way back up here, right? It's coming near to the stop loss, could get stopped out, right? You don't know how it's going to play out. Your job is, here's the setup, enter the trade, and there's your target. This is real good as well, this one here, because if you look at it, you obviously enter here again, you entered there, that's 2, and then any other positions you decide to put on. But you got the 150 fib, you got the 1618, and then you got the 200 fib, okay? If it just about was shy of the 200 fib, but at that point, at 200 would be 172 pips. I mean, come on, guys. If you're down here and you're 100, 150, take profit. I mean, seriously? You know, you're really trying to squeeze every bean out of it. The other thing you could do is this pushed down very hard. I mean, you could trail it, and then as soon as you get a break, but you see the, let me just clear that again. You see this you see the fractals here? Fractal 1, you see there's another fractal. You see there's another fractal. If you see a fractal print, here we are on a 15-minute chart. If you see it print, move your stop above it. Okay? And that way you get tagged out in profit. And, you know, you lose a little bit here. Who cares? I mean, 100 pips down to here is brilliant by any stretch of the imagination. Again, it's in the book. Oh, crumbs. It's in the book. It's a textbook trade, okay? We had mentioned look at the Aussie pairs because they were setting up. Aussie dollar is another one that was setting up, same plan. Aussie Swissy, same plan. But the AudJpy for some reason just fell into it beautifully, and here we are. Wonderful trade. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll be putting out more of these trades. Hope you liked it. Give a mention in the group if you liked it, what your opinions, your thoughts. If you traded it yourself, let me know. That'd be really good. Herd mentality is a great way to trade. Okay, a lot of confidence when you know, yeah, others are sharing the same trade. So if you guys are sharing these trades, enjoying these trades, let us know, and we'll keep putting more of them out. All right, guys, until the next one. Bye-bye.